Okay guys, good day to all of us. We are going to start a new coloring today. New illustration. It is called
Um,
Cinnamoroll.
yeah, it is.
Yeah. So we're going to start with a big ribbon and his head. Okay, now on his big ear. Yes, a beautiful big ear.
By the way, do you watch the Hello Kitty that my father drew? Did you watch his video? Tell us in the comments.
Yeah. That's Hello Kitty relaxing on the beach. Okay, a small bow.
Now, let's add the eyes.
Yeah, a cute eyes. And a cute mouth.
Yeah, and let's do the body.
Okay. Yes, also a cute feet.
Yeah, and a fluffy tail.
Ah. Where's the tail? A puppy tail.
Very fluffy.
I'm going to make some shadows. Yeah, or like 3D effect.
Yeah, they like Hello Kitty.
If you can't follow, guys, just pause the video. It's okay, and then play it as soon as you are ready to draw.
So we cannot miss any videos that you didn't watch.
Okay, I'm excited. Almost done.
Yeah, we have to do the color.
Ah,
So let's add some a little bit darker. Let's start now.
yeah, with blue.
Yeah, we have light blue for the shadows.
Yeah. Is it your favorite color? Pink?
Yeah, pink is also my favorite color.
Yeah.
Well, my father likes blue.
Okay, we're going to refine the coloring. There's a texture in the ribbon, so
Yes, so we cannot color the
good.
whites because
Yeah.
we have to make it look like shiny.
Yeah. This is a great ribbon.
Yep,
Wow.
it is. Yeah, it is a ribbon. Oh, it is a big bow with a big ribbon. Oh, there's another bow. But it is one.
It's cute.
Yeah, it was so small. By the way, is it cute? Tell us in the comments. Okay, now
Cute eyes.
yeah, cute.
A little shiny.
Yes, also with some oat.
Yeah, a little shiny in his eyes.
Yeah, just one. Now let's add the light blue version.
Yeah. So this is an illustration of more blue color. Kind of blue. To separate from Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is more on pink.
Yeah, Hello Kitty's pink. Cinnamoroll is
And blue is one.
yeah, bluish. We almost done.
Yeah. I think this is the quickest drawings that we had.
Yeah, that's so quick.
Yeah. Because they had a very minimal color, just blue.
Yeah.
I'm going to write our name
Yep.
and our date today. If you draw, guys, don't forget to write your name so that they know who drew it. Then the dimple in his
That's
face.
very important.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.